Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday, May 26th. I hope you had a great day off yesterday and enjoyed Memorial Day. Let's get started. The first thing is the argumentation question I want you to work on for Friday is what is the best rainy day activity? So that is in Google Classroom right now. It's due Friday. Don't forget, remember to use supports, no opinions, and avoid logical fallacies. Okay? And that has to be about 5 to 8 sentences. All of those instructions are in Google Classroom. And also your Declaration of Independence reflection questions are due today. So you should have already watched my video of me reading the Declaration of Independence and kind of explaining what a lot of the complicated older terms meant. And you should have done the reflection questions now. The reflection questions are more based on your personal beliefs rather than the Declaration of Independence. It just goes hand in hand with the idea of personal beliefs. So that's why they were assigned together. So that should be a pretty simple assignment to complete and turn in. And that is pretty much it for today. I don't have much for you. Like I said, argumentation question, and then Declaration of Independence reflection questions are due today. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me. I miss you guys. So please email me. Reach out. There is still a way. I know it's really close to the end of the year, but there's still a way to catch up. You'll have to work hard, but you can do it. All right. Have a good day.